Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P Technology to the Point. In this video, I am going to share with you two courses which is related to machine learning and deep learning. That is the first course which I am going to share with you, and second course that I am going to share with you, that is Python programming beginners tutorial. That is Python 3 programming, and it's a high level programming language which is right now required for data science, or you are learning machine learning. Then this language, programming language, will help you. Also, just want to ensure that this video I am recording today on 17th Feb. So I'm not sure whatever coupon code I'm sharing with you how long it will be available, so it's always better to subscribe to this channel so you will get alert immediately and you can access such courses after that. And let's start from these courses one by one. In this course, what you will get it, machine learning and deep learning in Python and R. It covers regression, decision trees, SVM, neural network, time series forecasting, and many more things. Why it is in-depth course? The reason is here you can see it is for it is providing 35 hours of on-demand videos. That means it's having the vast content in this. If you will go through the content, you can also understand it is having 281 lectures. So here you can go through them one by one. Also, if you see the quality of this course, it is having 4.4 rating that is given by 1706 students. And also, from with this creator of this course, more than 1,69,000 student associated with it. So the course quality is good, which I also want to refer. So I have already enroll for it. Just I'm enrolling for you. So for enrolling you need to provide the coupon code for this course, machine learning and deep learning. The coupon code is FEBXV21. Once you will click on apply, it will be applied here, and now this course is available for free. You just need to click and enroll. Once you will choose your location, then click on enroll now. Once it is enrolled and you will get the successful message, then it will be with you lifetime. Means whatever course we enroll in Udemy, that will be with us lifetime. So we can use it later, even if you are not, it is not useful for you now. Might be in future you want to learn machine learning, then you can refer this course, but I will suggest just have it in your library. Now we will talk about the second course, that is Python programming beginners tutorial, and the version is Python 3 programming. What it will cover, and you will learn about the Python, right? So it is high level programming language and the content is 13.5 hours. That is too much for one programming language, and it is having 100 lectures. And if you see the content, it covers from the very beginning, means the data types, then built-in functions, then it is having list and all, then it is having the detailed concept like object oriented programming and all. So you will get access for this course. Also you will get lifetime access. If you also talk, we will see the rating of this course. It is 4.0, that is given by close to 2000 students, and with the creator more than 87,000 student associated. So the quality of these courses is very good. Let's apply the coupon code. For this one we need to apply the coupon, that is Python underscore feb underscore 2021. I will mention this coupon code again during the upload. Once you will click on apply, it will be applied and this course will be available for free. Just you need to click on enroll and you can get the access of this course and you can start learning from here. So I hope you find this video useful for you. Similarly, I will share more courses with you. You can also suggest your preferred course or the technology on which you are working or want to learn, I'll try my best to arrange the content related to that one. If you like this the content, then click on like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.